penguin, polar bear, chin-strap penguin, blue tang, anglerfish, horseshoe crab, lobster, flying fish, leatherback turtle, crocodile, dolphin, king crab, ammonite, sawfish, clownfish, octopus, sunfish, stingray. Hello everyone! Today we're here at the park, and along this wall I have some sea animal toys that I want to show you. Amazing! We're going to put the sea animal toys in the water. We're going to toss them down into this blue tub down here. So let's get started. The first one we have, it's a manatee. All right, let's toss it down in the tub. Manatee. The next one, it's a shark. Whoa, look at the teeth on the shark. Okay, let's toss it down in the tub. Now we have an orca. Whoa, the orca has some big teeth also. Let's toss it in the tub. There we go. We have a flying fish. Whoa, a fish with wings. All right, let's toss it in the tub of water. Look at this one down here. It's a leatherback turtle. All right, let's toss it in the tub. We have a jellyfish, a pink jellyfish. Polar bear, a white polar bear, octopus. The octopus has 8 tentacles. Wow, octopus. Let's toss it in the tub. Alligator. It's a green alligator. Squishy. Here we go. Clownfish. Orange, white, and black. Clownfish. Seal. It's a gray seal with black spots. All right, let's toss it in the tub of water. Gulper eel. Whoa, look at the mouth on this gulper eel. All right, let's put it in our tub of water. Splash. Crab. Crab is pink and red. All right, here we go. We have a clownfish that's painted red and white. Here we go. We have a stingray. It's yellow, green, and blue stingray. Let's put it down in our tub. Hermit crab. Wow, the hermit crab has a big shell. All right, let's toss it in the tub. Shark. A squishy shark. It's blue and white. Sunfish, a gray sunfish. It's such a nice sunny day today. There we go. Purple lobster. It's It's a wobbly lobster. All right, let's toss it in the tub. Sawfish. Whoa, look at the teeth on the sawfish. Ammonite. That's a cool sea creature. Let's toss it in our tub. Penguin. A black and white penguin. What's next? How about this one? Blue tang. It's an anglerfish. Wow, look at the teeth on the anglerfish. King crab. In the tub. Dolphin. A gray dolphin. In the tub you go. Stingray. Sand tiger shark. Amazing. We have a squishy penguin, a black, white, and orange feet, and an orange sea turtle, a green sea turtle with a brown shell. Wow, amazing. Whale shark. It's a gray and it has white spots. Whale shark. Here we go in the tub. Down here we have a crocodile. Wow, crocodile. Beluga whale. Squid. It's a pink squid. What's next? We have this hammerhead shark. Wow. In the tub. Horseshoe crab. Chinstrap penguin. Amazing. Tuna fish. Orca. It's a pink whale. Dolphin. A yellow duck. Hammerhead shark. Shrimp. And we have a weedy sea dragon. Amazing. Look how many sea animal toys that were along this wall today. Now let's dump these out, or we could just put them here. Clownfish, hammerhead shark, squid, it's a shark, alligator, dolphin, beluga whale, sea turtle, seal, whale shark, shark, shrimp. It's a jellyfish, whale, penguin, weedy sea dragon, orca, manatee. We have another orca, hermit crab, crab, duck, hammerhead shark, sand tiger shark, tuna fish, penguin, polar bear, chin-strap penguin, blue tang, anglerfish, horseshoe crab, lobster, flying fish, leatherback turtle, crocodile, dolphin, king crab, ammonite, sawfish, clownfish, octopus, sunfish, stingray, gulper eel. Amazing! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more sea animal videos. See you later.